Hello and welcome to another perlani video. So today I'm going to be answering some questions that I got over time, and these two are related, so let's get to it. The first one is, what add-ons do I use for my browsers? And the second one is, how did I get my homepage to look like it did? So I'm gonna be putting it up on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. Let me pop up Firefox and let me just show you the add-ons that I use. So I'm currently using 3 add-ons, and you're going to need to have 2 of them to get your home page, start page, to look like mine. So the first one is called dark background and light text, and it's Firefox recommended as well. And what this is going to do, it's going to make every web page that you visit, it's going to make the background any color that you like. So you can change the background, the text, pretty much a lot of the elements on any website. The second one we don't need, but that's just for translations. And the third one is uBlock Origin, which is the default ad blocker that I use, and it's also Firefox recommended. So these two that you need are Firefox recommended, so you have no worries that they're not decent add-ons. So after you've installed one and the other, let's just go over here. You just go to your I'm just going to disable here. You just go to your home page, whether it's DuckDuckGo, which I use, or Google, or Yahoo, or start page, or whatever. And so in my case, this is DuckDuckGo, and as you can see, it's actually, there's a lot of stuff here. So every time I open up a new home page tab, it's gonna load all of this stuff, and it's got some, I guess you can call them an ad over here for downloading on Windows and whatnot. Okay, so let's go ahead and clean that up. So you're gonna have to need to have these 2 buttons on your UI, so uBlock and dark background and light text. Let's pop it up. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to default, select that, and it's gonna darken my web page. Now, as it says here, configure colors, default behavior, and more here. So if you go under global preferences, which I won't go because it's kind of self-explanatory, you can change the background color. Just change it to black, and I guess the foreground color or color of the text, you can change it to like white or some light color for easy reading. Anyway, since my background color is default black, here it is. So that's step number 1. And step number 2 is we pop up uBlock Origin. And what we're going to do, we're going to select this eyedrop tool. So go ahead and click that. And what we're going to do, we're going to start to remove elements that we don't need. Now this can sometimes be a finicky process, but we're trying to get through it. So first off, we'll remove this download DuckDuckGo for Windows button. We're going to click create, and it's gone. And now we're gonna do it again. There are different ways to achieve this, but I'm just going by the kind of the easiest and the most self-explanatory one. Okay, let's go and remove this, and this for some reason popped up again, don't know why. Remove. Okay, so let's go over here, do it again, create. As you can see, the entire page disappeared. Can we remove this completely? Well, there's a lot of stuff here. Just go ahead and remove that. Now we have a whole lot of black here, and we have this as well. Where does this go? Oh, so if I click here, it's gonna remove all that. So as you can see, I can no longer scroll up and down. We just have this. And you access this by going to, I think it's DuckDuckGo. .com/settings. Is it? Yes, it is. So I can even remove this if you're really finicky, but I'm just gonna leave it there. And I don't know, do we need this? Let's just go all the way and just remove this as well. As you can see, we now only have a search bar. Now if you remove something that you don't want to remove, you just go I'm trying to remember, you just go to the uBlock settings, and you go to my filters, and you remove the last filters that you used. So it's actually pretty easy. It's not. Or you can just delete everything from my filters and start from scratch. And that's pretty much it. So there you have it. Very easy, very clean. So now you have a very clean homepage. You can do that, of course, with Google or anywhere else. So that's it. Just a quick video answering 2 questions. I use 3 add-ons. Again, for dark backgrounds, because I just can't browse without it. My eyes hurt at night, so I use that, and I use uBlock. I've always used uBlock Origin, so it's just my preferred go-to ad blocker. And I use the translate tool for different languages and whatnot. So I just like to keep it at a bare minimum, because you know, the more add-ons you have, the more CPU memory usage and whatnot. So just the bare minimum, and it just works fine for me. Okay, so that should be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.